Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute panda so easily. Let's start drawing, starting with his cute eyes. A big circle outside and 3 small circles inside. So easy, right? Then I draw his eyebrow, his nose, and his mouth. I continue with his fur on his head like this. Then I draw his face. Do you know, pandas are very friendly and adorable animals. And his 2 ears. Next, I draw his body, draw his 2 hands. You can go to the zoo to see adorable pandas. I draw his 2 legs like this. Now let's start coloring. First, I use dark green to paint his eyes like this. Then I color his legs pink like this. And I color his cheeks pink too. Red for the shapes of hearts. Now I'm going to use this black watercolor to paint his ears, his hands, and his legs. Children, please be careful when coloring so that the color does not bleed out. Gradually and slowly. In this video, I rewind the video 6 times faster than in real life. In fact, I paint very slowly. We're almost done with the drawing. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!